So a couple people asked to see a coop tour. I thought I'd do that today. So we have wire buried around the entire perimeter of this coop to keep digging animals from getting in. And the floor is all play sand, which makes it really easy to clean up poop with a little kitty litter scoop. Over here we have food. We have this big rock that keeps the chickens from scratching it all out. And we have this moat that has just water in it. That's supposed to keep the leafcutter ants out, but as you can see, it's not working very well. These are probably the worst pests that we have. The flies are second. And then we have the 5-gallon water. And we have the ramp. Inside is the roosting doors and the nest boxes. There's Juno, Percy. This gets closed at night, so nothing can get in. Nothing's ever gotten in the run before. And over here we have more roosting bars, more perches, log, just a whole bunch more climbing things. Over here, you'd think the chickens would like this little concealed place back here, but they hate it. Whenever it rains, they don't go into it because they don't know what water is. So we have to keep a tarp on everything, or they probably drown because they don't know how to go into undercover because they have no brains. That means you have no brain. And over here we have some signs, some good signs. And here's one of 2 doors. So you can get in there and clean everything out. This is if I remember correctly, it's a Tractor Supply Producer's Pride chicken coop. We got it for probably around $1,000. I wouldn't recommend this coop to anyone because it molds like crazy. And it was almost impossible to assemble because everything was warped. This wood is awful, but it works. These are sliding trays that make it really easy to clean everything out. We put locks on everything at night to keep the raccoons from opening things because I'm pretty sure they can open latches. And then over here we have egg collecting doors, which, as you can see, almost never open right because the wood swells when it rains. Yeah, that's why this coop is not so great. Anyway, this is where we collect eggs. There are, I believe, 5 nest boxes in here. And under here is the storage room. And another door. There's another Ruby with no eggs. Then under here there are more doors, so you can get under there and clean. And I think that's it. We have over here, this is the Garden of Shame. It's our failed raised bed garden. It's too shady over here to grow anything. So yeah, that's the Coop Tour. I think I covered everything. Oh, up here are the air vents that make sure the coop can get fresh air when these doors are closed. And it makes a real difference when it's 102 degrees at night and chickens need a lot of air circulation. Over here is a very annoying motion activated solar light. I don't think this really does anything for predators, but it would sure scare a human if they tried to bother the coop, I guess. Yeah, and that's about it.